Finally, Bless allocation is here. And for those of you who are here to check your allocation, you can use this link to check your allocation, or just go to your Bless account. Then at the top right corner here, you're going to navigate and you click on Airdrop. So when you click on Airdrop, you're going to see the number of token you've actually been allocated to. Then you can drop in the comment section maybe you are eligible, because I could see some people are not eligible and a good number of people are actually eligible. So for those of you that completed your Airdrop registration, I think most people who actually did that are eligible. But something that is very important that you need to actually pay attention to here is that this your allocation, when you scroll down, there's option for staking here. So when you scroll down, so if you are withdrawing immediately, you'll be able to claim this percentage of your token. But if you leave it for 3 months, you're going to get times 3, then 12 months times 8, then 18 months times 15. So the choice is yours. But if you ask me what you might want to do, or you want my opinion, I will advise you claim immediately. The reason is simple. Most of these tokens, after listing, you see them dropping and dropping at a very fast rate. So, but nothing is sure already. But in my opinion, I would advise you to actually withdraw immediately. But if you don't need the cash now, you can actually stake for 18 or 12 months. It all depends on your choice. You get the point. Now, coming to the claiming, you discover they said connect your Solana wallet. And if you see the wallet here, that's the wallet you actually connected to this airdrop during airdrop registration. So I'll click on immediately. Then I'm going to click on connect. So I actually use my OKS wallet. So I'm going to select OKS wallet. So I'm going to confirm this. So it says success. Your redemption preference had been recorded. Say thank you for being early and part of chapter 0. The journey continued. Bless chapter 1 is on the horizon. Stay blessed. And so we're going to wait until we are credited with the allocation that we have been given. But in my own opinion, I think Bless can do better. That's number 1. Then number 2, with 10 billion total supply and 1 billion circulating supply, the listing price of Bless might be around 0.01 to 0.03. Anything is possible in this crypto space. So drop your thought in the comment section of this video. Do you think Bless Network did well with their token allocation? And if you are eligible, drop it in the comment section. If you are not eligible, drop it in the comment section and your allocation in this airdrop. So see you at the top. Make sure you like, subscribe, and more importantly, join my Telegram channel. See you at the top.